Have you ever felt stuck in certain emotions like sadness, fear, or anxiety and wondered why they keep coming back? These could be trapped emotions. These negative emotions get stored in your body and can impact your mind, health, and overall well being. In this video, I'll explain what trapped emotions are, how they form, and how the emotion code can help release them. So, what are trapped emotions? Trapped emotions are unprocessed emotional energies that get stuck in the body when we experience intense feelings but don't fully process them. This can happen due to trauma, stress, and we can even inherit trapped emotions from our ancestors. We can also absorb emotions from other people, but I'll save that for another video. Over time, trapped emotions can manifest as physical discomfort, mental distress, or even self-sabotaging behaviors. Here's an example. Imagine a time when you felt deep sadness, but didn't fully express or process it. That energy might have gotten trapped in your body and led to emotional triggers or even physical discomfort. How do trapped emotions affect you? Trapped emotions can create energetic imbalances that affect different aspects of life, such as physical health, which could show up as chronic pain, tension, headaches, or even fatigue. Emotional well being, which could show up as anxiety, depression, or sudden mood swings. In relationships, it could show up as difficulty trusting, feeling distant, or repeating negative patterns. Here's an example. Let's say you have a trapped emotion of rejection from childhood. This could lead to a subconscious fear of forming deep connections, even if you don't consciously realize it. How the emotion code identifies and releases trapped emotions. Dr. Bradley Nelson developed the emotion code as a healing method to identify and release trapped emotions by using muscle testing and energy clearing techniques. The process involves identifying the trapped emotion by using the emotion code chart and muscle testing. Sometimes your subconscious mind will want you to know what age you were before the emotion can be released. In that case, I would muscle test to find the age you were when the emotion became trapped. Then I would release the emotion by using intention and magnetic energy. Here's an example. If I find a trapped emotion of fear from a past failure, I can release it on your behalf by using a magnet, swiping back and forth in front of my face like this, while also holding the intention to release the emotion. Now that you understand what trapped emotions are and how they can affect your life, are you ready to start releasing them? If you found this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more energy healing content. Comment below which trapped emotions you feel are trapped inside of your body. See you in the next video.